We have been working very hard on addition in class. Today, I have some addition slides and math facts that I would like you to practice. Let's talk about how we're going to do these slides today. Let's first read the directions. I see up here it says addition facts, directions. Solve each problem below. As you look at this slide, you see that there are 3 addition problems on it that we need to find the sum for. Let's look at the first one and do one together. 7 plus 6 equals blank. As I try to figure out the sum or the answer to that math problem, I can use my counting on strategy. I can use my number line. If there is a doubles fact that will help me, I can use a doubles fact. When I do 7 plus 6, I can think of a double that will help me, but I really like the counting on strategy. So I'm going to put 7 in my head and count on 6. So I'll say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the sum is 13. Here's what I need to do. Click in the box, type 13, and then I'm ready for my next math fact. You will have several slides to complete. And before you turn it in to me, I want you to go back through each slide and make sure that you have filled in the sum to each and every one.